Have you ever wondered what businesses could make you a billionaire in 2024? Welcome to the future, where the realm of possibilities is as vast as your imagination. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 business opportunities with the potential to catapult you into the Billionaires Club come 2024. We'll count down from 5 to 1, delving into the specifics of each business and why they hold such promise. So, are you ready to take this journey with us? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 businesses to invest in for a potential billion-dollar return. At number 5, we have the burgeoning field of space tourism. The final frontier, once a playground for only the most intrepid explorers, is now opening its doors to the public. Space tourism, a concept once confined to the realm of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a reality. Companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are pioneering this industry, offering the tantalizing prospect of commercial space travel. The potential for revenue growth in this sector is astronomical. With a single ticket to space currently priced in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, there's no denying the profitability of this venture. But beyond the price tag, there's an untapped market of millions who dream of experiencing the cosmos firsthand. Of course, this is not a venture for the faint-hearted. The technical and regulatory challenges are immense, and the financial risks are high. But for those willing to take the plunge, the rewards could be out of this world. Investing in space tourism is definitely a long shot, but with the potential for exponential growth, it could be a billion-dollar gamble worth taking. Coming in at number 4, we have the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars, folks. AI and machine learning are set to revolutionize countless industries. From healthcare, where they can predict diseases and personalize treatment, to finance, where they can streamline transactions and detect fraud. Imagine the potential profitability in creating software that can predict stock market trends with uncanny accuracy, or an AI system that can design buildings to be more efficient and sustainable. The possibilities are vast, and the potential to disrupt traditional business models is enormous. It's clear that AI and machine learning are not just buzzwords, they are the future. They are the tools that will drive innovation and progress in the 24th century. Investing in AI and machine learning is not only a smart move for the future, but it could also make you a billionaire in the process. Taking the third spot is the green energy sector. In the past decade, green energy has transitioned from being a fringe idea to a mainstream movement. As the world becomes more aware of climate change and its potential impacts, the push for sustainability has never been stronger. This global shift towards greener alternatives has resulted in the rise of businesses focused on renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro. Companies are developing innovative technologies to harness these resources more efficiently, making green energy a vibrant and rapidly evolving industry. But it's not just about being environmentally friendly. With growing demand and government incentives, the green energy sector is set to deliver high returns. Big corporations are investing billions into renewable projects, and smaller startups are getting in on the action too. So, if you're looking for a business that's future-proof, profitable, and contributes to the well-being of our planet, green energy is the way to go. Investing in green energy is not only good for the planet, but it could also make you a billionaire. At number 2, we have the promising field of genomic medicine. Imagine a future where doctors can tailor treatments to your unique genetic makeup, where diseases are not just managed, but cured at their root cause. This is the promise of genomic medicine. The potential here is enormous. With the human genome mapped and technology advancing rapidly, we're on the cusp of a healthcare revolution. The returns could be equally transformative. Genomic medicine is a burgeoning field, and early investors stand to reap significant rewards. Think of it as the tech boom of the medical world. But who are the major players? Companies like Genentech, Illumina, and 23andMe are currently leading the charge. They're decoding our DNA, developing targeted therapies, and driving forward this exciting frontier of medicine. Remember, this isn't just about money, it's about the potential to change the world, to save lives, to redefine what's possible in healthcare. Investing in genomic medicine could not only save lives, but it could also make you a billionaire. And now, the number 1 business that could make you a billionaire in 2024 is cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As we stride into the digital age, the rise of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology has been nothing short of phenomenal. These digital assets have not only disrupted traditional financial systems, but have also opened up a realm of possibilities for high returns. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are reshaping the way we think about money. They are decentralized, meaning they operate without the need for a central authority like a bank or government. This makes them immune to government interference or manipulation. But it doesn't stop there. The technology underpinning these digital currencies, blockchain, is a revolutionary innovation in itself. It's a transparent, secure, and decentralized ledger system that has the potential to transform industries far beyond finance. From supply chain management to voting systems, the applications of blockchain are vast and varied. The potential for high returns in this field is significant. Early investors in Bitcoin, for example, have seen their investments grow exponentially. And with the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology by businesses and governments, this trend shows no signs of slowing down. In summary, the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry presents a compelling business opportunity. It's a rapidly evolving field with immense potential for disruption and high returns. And who knows? Investing in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology could be the golden ticket to billionaire status in 2024. So there you have it, the top 5 businesses that could make you a billionaire in 2024. Let's do a quick recap. Space tourism, a sector that's literally skyrocketing, offering out-of-this-world experiences and huge financial returns. Next, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies that are transforming every industry, creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth. Then there's green energy, a sector that's not only profitable, but also planet-friendly, promising a greener, cleaner future. Genomic medicine comes in at number 2, revolutionizing healthcare and opening up avenues for life-changing investments. And finally, the golden goose. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, a digital gold rush that has the potential to yield astronomical returns. Each of these sectors holds immense potential. They're more than just businesses, they're the future. And they're waiting for you to seize the opportunity they present. The future is full of opportunities, and with the right investment, you could be the next billionaire. Until next time, keep dreaming